Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a fully updated photocard collection video. Currently I have 3 binders. One is boy groups and the other 2 are girl groups. I've made a few changes since when I last did this, like cover pages and stuff now, just because I'm bored in quarantine. So I'm just gonna get started probably with the boy groups since there's only one binder of them. Okay, this is my boy group finder, and on the side I have which groups are in here. To start us off, we have Kang Daniel. Kang Daniel is my alt of all alts. I've loved him for a very long time, since the start of Produce 101 season 2. So for him I had this cover page and I collect his Korean album cards and inclusions. This is, oh, the glare. Wow, sorry for that. This is his first album, Colour on Me. I finally have this completed. And I also added these purple sleeves rather than white. It's not even funny how long I've been looking for those. Like, I have literally been on every single website ever to try and find these purple sleeves, and they were right under my nose in the comic book store in the city I live in. I didn't even... Moving past that, this is his second album, Cyan, which I haven't received yet because all post is blocked currently right now. And he has 2 sets, day and night, and also I have his Cacao Friends cards. My friend kindly bought me one of his Cacao Friends, and then my boyfriend bought me the rest of them. They were both very, very sweet, and it's something that I'll treasure for the rest of my life. And then Cacao Friends also did these sort of photo cards, and this is one of the tags. I'm just missing the one. This is my 80s collection. It is one of the most vast collections I actually have. So here, and then also on the back I have sort of their albums and the albums I have. I currently am up to date with my albums for ATEEZ, which is quite good. So we have episode 1, I have everyone. Oh, for ATEEZ I collect OT9. So this is, I have episode 1 completed, along with episode 2. And then we have their pre-order postcard and my VIP wristband from when I went to see them. Let's see if I can get rid of this glare. No. So we have episode 3 illusion set, and then the episode 3 my music taste illusion set. And then we have the episode 3 wave normal album set. And then we have episode 3, the Wave MMT set. And that episode 3 was the only album I collected full group MMT for, just because I hate my music taste more than anything. Like, I really wish they weren't a company, and I really wish they stopped doing these music taste cards. I can't stress that enough. So this is episode Finn, the A set, and this is episode Finn, the Z set. So we come on to the anniversary version, which I'm finding a little difficult to collect fully, just because the cards are so expensive. It's kind of ridiculous. So I'm just missing Hongjun, Mingi and Wooyoung ID cards for that. And then we have the babies, which I'm only missing Jongho and Hongjun for. And this is their most recent album, Epilogue. And I am missing a few cards, but I'm trying to finish the set with the squared edges, because the second press had the rounded edges, which makes me feel sick, because I hate to have rounded and squared edges mixed in one album. That is not what I'm about. So I'm just missing Hongjun, Yuno and Wooyoung for that. This is the second set for that, the Z version, and I'm just missing Mingi. And then coming into some OT8 releases, so we have the Season's Greetings and their fan kit. Putting my finger over my fan kit number. So this is just the ID cards and my card, and then I have the postcards, which I will be moving into those Ultra Pro 3 pocket things because they hang over, which isn't ideal, but I can't find any of the 3 pockets at the minute, which is really frustrating. So we just have all their postcards for that, and the group is on the back. And then just slipping in some of the jacket sleeves from their first Japanese album. And then here we come onto my Jongho collection from ATEEZ. I collect his non-album stuff and the rest of the MMT cards and Japanese cards. just because he is my bias and I will always treasure him forever, so I thought I'd collect his other stuff. So currently I have his KCON Japan card, his Treasure Cafe card, and then the episode fin My Music Taste and the epilogue My Music Taste. And then I have their first Japanese album Shift the Map and their second Japanese album Map to Answer, I believe, but he is fully complete for that. And then I have his anniversary My Music Taste postcard and some Japanese photos which I need to complete. And then just an extra page of those. And coming into the next boy group, it is Jaehyun from NCT. So we just have the albums on the back. I seriously need to catch up with the NCT albums. They haven't been a priority for me at the moment. So I have his hashtag NCT and hashtag 127 here, Cherry Bomb, and then Empathy, and then Regular, Irregular, and then Regulate. And then I have both this We Have Superhuman. So I was up to date with him until they brought out Neozone, and they have 3 versions for that, so I'm taking a little bit of a backseat just while the post is stopped, because I don't want anything to get lost and stuff like that. So I actually haven't got any of his Neozone stuff. And I just have his regular, irregular postcard, and then the cover sheet for the hashtag 127. And then 10, I collect his wavy releases, any NCT stuff, and Super M cards. I seriously need to catch up on those albums as well. So I just have his Reality Empathy card, and then his 2 Take Over the Moon. And then I have his the American press of the Super M album so far. And then we come into Oneness, and I collect Hanwoo, just his Korean album cards, and I am fully up to date with Oneness's albums. And actually I'm pretty much up to date with Hanwoo's cards as well. So I have Light Us and then Raise Us, this is currently on the way, and then Fly With Us along with his My Music Taste card. And then one of his postcards for Raise Us. And then here we have the My Music Taste card for Time, It's In Its Time, yes, In Its Time, and then both of his regular album cards. And then I don't have his postcard. And I actually ran out of paper before I printed a sheet for this. So this is Hyungjin from X1, I Cry. I have all of his album cards, and then I have the X1 fan kit cards here. I put them all in because I did love every single member of X1. And that is that whole boy group album. I don't collect that many boy groups. Boy groups are not a priority for me. Moving on to my first girl group binder, which is the one with the least groups in it, but the most cards. So here we have Yeri from Red Velvet, Saturday, OT5, and Chaeyoung from Twice. So I have this glittery sheet a good friend of mine gave to me, which I just keep on the front here. Then we come into Yeri. I chose this Yeri picture because blonde Yeri is the best Yeri. I collect her Korean album cards and inclusions, and I'm almost fully up to date with Red Velvet albums. I just need 2. So here we have Ice Cream Cake, the Red, the Velvet, Russian Roulette, both Rookie, and both Red Summer. There's one thing I love about Red Velvet, and it's their photocard backs. They're always so lovely. Then we have Perfect Velvet, the Perfect Red Velvet, and then Summer Magic. Then we have RBB, River Festival Day 1, River Festival Day 2. Then we have Day 1 and Day 2 of other inclusions, like the standee and the postcard. Then we just have a few of the things from the travel kit from Day 2. Then we have Finale. I'm just missing 2 cards for her, but they're ridiculously expensive, like £25 for a photo card. I will not pay it. Absolutely not. So I'm just waiting for those to reduce in price. And then we just have her ticket from the scrapbook version, sorry. And I just need to trade the postcard that I got from my Finale version. Then we come into Saturday. Stan Saturday. They are so cute. They have amazing songs. Stream Byung. I collect OT5 for them and a few non-album cards that I can pick up. So I have all of their albums because they just have one. So we have completed the album set. So this is the pink pack set. and the purple back set. And I am yet to get the slogan photo cards that they released. These are their fan meeting photo cards. And then what is it, Make Star cards? These came with their Make Star set. And that is all of Saturday. And now we come into Chaeyoung from Twice. This picture is superior. I will forever love this picture of Chaeyoung. I will have it printed on my grave. And I just collect her Korean album cards, and I am still working on my Twice album collection. So I used to collect Dahyun and Jio for them, but with the amount of groups I want to collect and the amount of groups I love, something had to give, so I just reduced it to Chaeyoung again. So we have The Story Begins and then all of page 2. And we have Twice Coastal Lane 1, and then this is the Twice Coastal Lane 1 Christmas edition, and I do have the selfie on the way. Then we have Twice Coastal Lane 2. Then Signal is complete. Then we have Twicegram and Merry and Happy complete also. And then we have What Is Love, and I'm missing 2 cards for her, but I still haven't worked out how I plan to set that out. Because I collect, for the groups from What Is Love, I collect all of Che, and then a group set. So I have this Che set, and then I collect this set of the full album. And I have all of her Summer Nights cards, and then I collect this set of the OTE night. And then I have all of her Yes I Yes cards, and then I'm collecting this set of the OT9. I have finished her Year of Yes cards, and I don't collect anything else for that because they're ridiculously expensive and they only have 5 cards each, which is pretty good. I have finished her Fancy set. This card is my favourite card of any card she's ever released ever in my life. I will treasure this card for the rest of my life. And I collect this set of OT9. It is almost finished and I'm really happy about that. And then I have 1 card left to finish all of Feel Special. So I just need to get that one as I was scammed out of it. And then this is the complete OT9 set, and I have a Momo Mystic card on the back. And that is that binder, quite full for only having 3 groups in it. And then we have my final binder, and it's got lots more groups in it. So we start off with Promise 9. I collect Jiyeon. For most people I only collect Korean album cards and nothing else, just so I can collect as many things as I possibly can for lots of groups, because I love a lot of groups. And then I am almost up to date with Promise 9 albums, just need Fun Factory. So I have her Too Heart Polaroid card, not her ID though, I can't find it anywhere. I finished her 2-day set, just need 1 more for From 9. And then I have 1 card out of the album set for Fun Factory, and I just picked up the Kino because it finished this page. And then for Luna, I collect Olivia Hay. I collect some of the non-album cards just because some of them are really pretty. Oh gosh. And so for Luna albums, I have her solo would go on, the normal and limited Beauty and the Beat, and I don't collect any limited versions of all of the OT12 albums. So I have her pre-debut stuff completed, so we have her solo, her album would go on, and then the normal and limited of Beauty and the Beat. And then I don't have any of her OT12 releases just yet. And then we come into some of the photo card sets I collect. So we have the Season's Greetings, the Meet and Up set, and then the Hash photo card set. And then for ITZY, I collect Chedol. She's like my baby since 16. I've been watching out for her, just sort of keep an eye on whether she'll debut or not, and finally she did in ITZY, so I'm really excited. And I have all of ITZY's albums. I have all of her It's Icy set, along with her 2 pre-order postcards, and then I just need 1 card to finish her It's Me set. And that is the black border solo card. Then I have her 3 postcards for the pre-order set, and then I have her album like frame thing, as well as the group. And then for IZ*ONE, I collect Chaewon and Cheon. I collect all of the Chaes apparently in every group. So I collect both of their cards, and I just need one more album to finish my IZ*ONE album set. So I have Colorize here, so I have both of Chaeyeon's units and her solo. I have Chaewon's solo, I just need to collect her units. And then this is Heart Eyes, and I have all of Chaeyeon but no Chaewon since they're really rare. I've not been able to find them really. Then for the Bloom Eyes, Bloom Eyes starts here and finishes in the next 15 pages apparently. There's a lot of Bloom Eyes. So these are the AR cards. We have I Was, I Am, I Will. And then we have the actual cards for for I Was, sorry. I just have one Chaewon and two Chaeyeon. And then this is for I Am. I just have I have 3 Chaewon and 2 Chaeyeon. I'm doing quite well on some of these for album versions. And then for I Will, we have 2 Chaewon and 2 Chaeyeon. This is by far my favourite album set, apart from these 2 cards for Chaewon. And then at the back here I just have their mini cards, which I will slowly pick up from where I can get them. And then moving on, for G-Friend, I collect G-Friend, I'm really trying, but they have a lot of cards and I said I collected them really late. So I'm working on it. I don't have many of their albums, really. I'm trying my best with that. So their first album, Season of Glass, didn't have a photocard. So we move on to Flowerbirds, and then Snowflake, and then LOL, and The Awakening. I have those albums finished. And then we move on to Parallel, which is here, these 5 cards. I'm just missing 2 for that. And Rainbow, I'm just missing the 1. And we move on to Time for the Moonlight, which I only have 2 for. And then Sunny Summer, of which I'm still missing 2. And then move on to Time for Us, which, to be fair, I'm only missing 2. But there is 8 cards in the set, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. And then Fever Season, I'm doing pretty badly. They're just really difficult. I'm trying my best. And then Labyrinth, I haven't not even approached yet, since there's 10 cards. I haven't even got the albums yet, so I'm just taking it sort of slow on that one. And then for Rocket Punch, I collect Dahyun. I have all of their albums and I'm just waiting for this trade to come in, and I just picked up this Yeonhee here because she's really cute. So that is that. I only have 2 albums right now, so. And then I picked up their fan meeting set because they were just really cute, and I didn't have much for her at the time, so I thought I'd just pick them up. And then this is a future collection because they have no albums yet. This is Son of Signature, but they have no actual albums yet, so that's currently just empty. And that is the full photocard collection. I'm not very good at these videos, I really apologise. But I'm just going to go through my final binder that I have. And it's this binder. It's a hell of a lot smaller than the other ones. But it is just my trades binder, so I'm going to go through it, and if you see anything in here that you'd like to trade for one of the things I'm missing in my photocard video, just drop me a message on my Instagram. It'll be in the description below. But also I have all my wish lists on my Instagram if you need that. So I have a lot of Dahyun, and then some Geo, and then some other misc groups like some Woojin from Stray Kids, just some other girl groups, some other boy groups, and a Chetty, and some more just random cards. All of the IZ*ONE cards are for trade to their equivalents to Chaewon and Chaeyeon. But everything else can be traded for anything. And these are my ATEEZ cards and ITZY cards. They're only trading to ATEEZ and ITZY equivalents. So that is my full photocard collection. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a purple heart in the description if you watched this far. Thank you for watching.